National season Friday night in Waseon, Ohio. This truck ended up finishing number 6, I think he said it was, on the Grand National level of competition. So that's a pretty good run for the team out of Harvard, Illinois. So Ted 2 going to stay over here in this right or left-hand sideline, or pit side, as we'll call it tonight. He's a truck driver by trade at Rebar Company. Andrietta Farms, Rebar and Steel RP Services are sponsoring the Chevrolet The Rock. Ted Skelton, green light, and the flags are out. And Ted again comes to a screeching halt right down in that 295-foot range. The Rock Chevrolet.